This isn't just a villa, it's a feeling, a way of life. I'm Serge Cowan, your global real estate advisor, and here, nature meets the stars, and life finds its rhythm. Step inside, and you don't just enter a home, you cross into a sanctuary. Lines fall away, light takes over, the island sets the tempo. The living room isn't about scale, it's about ease. Everything flows, art, air, conversation, straight outside. When the glass disappears, the ceiling becomes the sky. The kitchen is a choreography of stone and oak. Crafted like a sculpture, finished like a five-star line. Dining swings from candlelit to sun-drenched, and the library a quiet manifesto of culture and calm. Retreat is personal here, indoor, outdoor tranquility. Uniquely crafted bathrooms, walk-in wardrobes, private terraces, and courtyard gardens. Downstairs, every suite is its own escape. Lounges, ensuite bathrooms, and private terraces. Multi-generation by design, without compromise. Wellness isn't an add-on, it's woven in. Swim against the current, stretch, meditate, or exhale into stillness. By day, slow living. At night, the tempo changes, and we start the evening with a game of pool. Then cards on the poker table and house music on the decks. This isn't just luxury, it's luxury with character. The ideal dad space and the perfect nightcap. Sometimes the best seat isn't in town, it's right here under the stars. At Canstala, life slows to a softer beat. Sky and sea merge, and above, a sky full of stars. And in the distance, Ibiza's heartbeat still plays.